Human visitors to Mars will need a place to be shielded from the planet's harmful radiation, temperature swings, and dust storms. If the planet is anything like Earth or the Moon, there could be large underground lava tubes that can serve as shelters. The collapsed sections of these lava tubes, called skylights, could provide access to these underground havens. Does this hole on Mars open up into a larger underground cave? This image was taken by the High-Resolution Imaging Science Experiment camera on NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The pit is only a few meters across and is located in Mars' Arsia Mons region. Arsia Mons is one of the 3 extinct volcanoes in the Tharsis Montes group. The Tharsis Bulges Tharsis region is an expansive volcanic plateau, spanning thousands of kilometers. It is elevated compared to the rest of Mars, standing about 10 kilometers above the planet's average elevation. The region's volcanic history is evident, and features like this pit are direct results of ancient volcanic activity. Many pits in the Arsia Mons region could be skylights or openings into underground lava tubes. However, there is much uncertainty. In one of the images, an illuminated side wall is visible, suggesting that it might just be a cylindrical pit. The highlighted hole in the image could be just a pit or a shaft, not necessarily an entrance to a cave or lava tube. They are found in Hawaiian volcanoes and are known as pit craters. They do not connect to long caves or lava tubes but are the result of a collapse occurring much deeper underground. Pit craters in Hawaii range in depth from 6 to 186 meters and in width from 8 to 1,140 meters. The Arsia Mons pit in the foreground image is only 178 meters deep. We have a much better understanding of the lava pits and tubes on the Moon compared to those on Mars. We know that some are thermally stable at about 17 degrees Celsius. We also have better images of them, with fascinating views of their rock-covered floors. There has been much thought about how to explore these lunar caves and lava tubes, including conceptual designs for robots that could investigate them. Perhaps astronauts on the Moon could shelter in inflatable habitats inside these tubes, where they would be protected from temperature changes, radiation, and micrometeorites. But Mars is a different story. There is no reason why Mars shouldn't have lava tubes. In fact, Mars' gravity is much weaker than Earth's, allowing for much larger tubes. Images of Mars show rills that are collapsed tubes. It seems that not all these tubes have collapsed to form trenches. A pit on the Mars volcano Pavonis Mons is particularly intriguing. There is some sort of void under the pit, but it's hard to determine the nature of the pit. Is it a lava tube? If so, it dwarfs most tubes on Earth.